When you have an outlet that is not working, you may not be able to use it. These outlets need to be replaced or repaired as soon as possible. If you notice a dark discoloration or melting, replace it immediately. Cosmetic blemishes on outlets can cause electrical arcs and short-circuiting. They also allow dust and debris to collect inside the outlet. When you plug something into the outlet, this debris acts like kindling and can cause a fire. So, make sure to keep an eye out for this problem. Cracked electrical outlets can be very expensive to repair. They can appear due to accidents, impacts, or general wear and tear. If the outlet has cracks, it is dangerous and can let dirt, moisture, and dust into the outlet. The damaged outlet can catch fire and cause a dangerous situation. Therefore, it is essential to get it repaired or replaced immediately. However, the price of repair and replacement will vary according to the type of outlet and the level of difficulty involved. Often, a defective outlet is caused by excessive amounts of moisture in the outlet. If it is not fixed immediately, it can result in an electrical fire or short circuit. In this case, you need to turn off the power to the outlet and call an electrician. If the outlet has been damaged by water, the cost of repair will be between $150 and $400. If the outlet is burned, it may be necessary to remove the burned wires and replace them. Fortunately, these problems are usually localized. In most cases, you can fix the outlet yourself without having to break down drywall or crawl through attics. These issues can easily be resolved by replacing the appliance or the service panel. Since they are localized, you don't have to dig up the walls or climb through the attic to solve the problem. Purchasing replacement parts is very easy and inexpensive. You can purchase replacements from a home center. If you suspect your outlet is loose, you should consider getting it repaired as soon as possible. This is the safest and most cost-effective option, as it will save you money in the long run. In addition to fixing the outlet, you should also check the socket. Depending on the voltage, it can be dangerous to the electric cord. A new outlet will help you avoid these problems. If the outlet is loose, you should replace it. When an electrical outlet is loose, it is a good idea to replace it as soon as possible. This is a great way to avoid a fire. A loose plug can cause sparks and electrical arcing. A hot outlet can also cause a power outage. When you notice this, you need to call an electrician for the repair. If you suspect the fault is not with the socket, it's time to contact a professional to prevent any further damage. If the outlet is damaged, you need to get it replaced immediately. This can cost anywhere from $50 to $120. It is recommended to have a ground fault circuit interrupter installed in the area where you live, because this can prevent an electrical shock. This type of outlet should be replaced if the electrical outlet is not functioning properly. It should also have a long life, as it will be used frequently for a long period of time. If you're worried about safety, you should invest in waterproof outlets. These outlets can be bought online for $120 to $500. They're great for protecting your home from electrical shock, sparks, and tripped circuit breakers. They also come with an automatic reset button. You should also be aware that it's possible to buy GFCI outlets. These outlets can be installed in bathrooms as well. Most types of electrical outlets last between 40 and 50 years, though some will need to be replaced sooner. You should have an electrician do an electrical inspection to check the condition of your electrical outlets. These inspections are typically $150 to $200 and will give you a full report on the condition of your electrical components. If you're not comfortable doing this, you can do it yourself for less money. Proper maintenance will help keep your outlets in good condition and will lower the risk of needing repairs. If you're unsure of what type of electrical repair you need, contact an electrician for an estimate.